Now I'm going to try out the tinfoil trick on these here hubcaps and beauty rings, or bling rings, or whatever you like to call them. See if I can't get them to clean up somewhat, like I did the grill. They're not pitted like the grill, so I'm hoping they'll be okay. It's all cloudy and dirty. Aluminum foil. Water. Now, I don't suggest you do this on your show cars. Probably use a Blue Magic metal polish or something like that if you have a show car. But this will do the trick for now. These hubcaps they're pretty oxidized around the edges, and you can see there's cracks in the chrome because the metal underneath is rusted off. So I'm probably going to end up buying new ones anyway, but I just wanted to see if these are clean up. As you can see, they polish up somewhat. You can see yourself in the camera, hey-oh. But there's little dents and scratches along here and dings and whatnot, but for now, I'll take it. I just do circles around the rim. It's not a rim, it's a hubcap. Cloudiness. There's still some right on that edge. Right along the edge, there's some cloudiness. You can see it right there. So if I was going to use these hubcaps for any long period of time, I'd probably take a microfiber and some Blue Magic metal polish and go after these, and that would bring the shine right out. It'll clean everything off. But it'll be a little while before this thing gets on the road, just because it needs floors, it needs some engine work done to get going. I'm just cleaning things up now and seeing how it looks. I am working on the floor and engine and stuff, but you'll see that in other videos. This is just a quick cleanup video. But yeah, already 100 times better. This in the middle, that's oxidation through the chrome, so that's not going to come off, that dark mark right here. But I'm pretty happy with that. I still have to clean up these rims here around the edges. But that's the cool thing about triple-aught steel wool and aluminum foil. You can mold them in any shape you want, and they will fit anywhere you need them to. Little VW Rabbit going down the hill, little pickup.
Squirrel!
My neighbor lives up in the back. Little diesel. Pretty cool little rig. What's up, pup? Hi, Freya. That'll do for me. I don't mind that at all. Not too shabby. Needs some polish, but cleaned up much better. So something we learned from washing it, see here, up in the middle right here, over there, and if you look down here, this is all wet, and we're dripping off somewhere in here, a few places. So what that tells me is I need a windshield gasket, which is pretty much expected. I need all these window gaskets. You can see there's water right there. This one didn't really leak too bad. Or this one. So definitely windshield gasket. Obviously all new door and window glass gasket. But not the rear glass. The rear glass didn't leak at all. Which is cool. So hopefully this thing will never see rain. I don't plan on letting it see rain, but if we get stuck in the rain, I don't really want it, you know, dripping all over the place. And see, that's why people take pictures and video of the car they're trying to sell right after it's washed while it's wet. It still looks somewhat nice, but nowhere near as good as it did when it was wet. That's why you gotta be careful with what you purchase online. It's still nice and clean, but nowhere near as shiny because it's satin or flat black paint.